Students, today we are going to learn about error of posting. Error of posting means error in ledger posting. If we commit this error, some errors are disclosed by the trial balance, some errors are not disclosed by the trial balance. Look at the problem. The following errors are located after preparation of trial balance. So after preparation of trial balance, we can use suspense account. Rectify them. Question number 1. Goods bought from Sheila, rupees 10,000, posted to Sheba account. Actually, we bought from Sheila, posted to the Sheba account. So the correct posting is purchase account, debit side we should post. Then Sheila account should be credited. But what happened? Purchase account debited correctly. Instead of Sheila account, they gave credit to the Sheba account. Instead of Sheila account, they gave credit to the Sheba account. So we have to cancel the Sheba. We should record Sheila. So Sheba where she was, she is in the credit side. For cancellation, Sheba goes to the debit side. Sheba account debtor to Sheila account. Value how much? 10,000. Value 10,000. This error not disclosed by the trial balance. Next, let me see the next problem. Question number 2. First one completed. Second one. Goods bought from Sheila, rupees 10,000, posted to her account 1,000. We bought goods from Sheila for rupees 10,000, posted to her account 1,000. So correct posting is purchase account debited, Sheila account credited. But what they did, the wrong posting is in Sheila account they credited, instead of 10,000 they credited how much? 1,000 rupees. So correct account, amount only wrong. So it is called undercost. So Sheila account shows undercost, where credit side. How much undercost? 9,000. Now the Sheila should be credited, suspense account should be debited. Suspense account debtor to Sheila account. How much? We have to record 9,000. Here the error in amount, this error disclosed by the trial balance. Let me see the next problem. Sum number 3. Yes. Goods bought from Sheila 10,000, posted to her account debit side. We bought goods from Sheila. So correct posting is purchase account debited, Sheila account should be credited. This is the correct posting. But what they did, instead of crediting the Sheila account, the same amount was debited. This is the wrong posting. What we are supposed to do? First we have to cancel the 10,000 in the debit side. It will go to the credit side. Now the Sheila should be credited with 20,000. So now the rectification entry goes like this. Suspense account debtor to Sheila. Value how much? 20,000. 10,000 for cancellation, 10,000 for correct posting. This error disclosed by the trial balance because error in the side. If there is any error in the side or error in the amount, definitely it will be disclosed by the trial balance. Now look at the fourth problem. Goods bought from Sheila 10,000, posted to her account debit side how much? 1,000. So the correct posting is purchase account debited, Sheila account should be credited. This is the correct posting. But what they did, posted to her account debit side how much? Instead of crediting 10,000, they debited 1,000 in the Sheila account. What we supposed to do? First we have to cancel this 1,000 rupees. So it will go to the credit side. So this is cancellation 1,000. This is correct posting. So how much we should be credited? So 11,000 should be credited to the Sheila account. Now rectification entry goes like this. Suspense account debtor to Sheila. How much? 11,000. Here I am using suspense account since they are locating error after trial balance. Next, sum number 5. Sum number 5. Look at the problem. Payment of wages 2000 to Venkat was posted twice to the wages account. So payment of wages, the correct posting is wages account debtor to cash. Correct posting. Correct posting how much? 2000. Wages debited, cash should be credited. But what they did, they debited twice to the wages account. We have to cancel one wages. So where it was posted debit side, for cancellation it will go to the credit side. Now the rectification entry is suspense account debtor to wages. Value how much? 2000. This error disclosed by the trial balance. Let me see sixth error. Sixth problem. Sum number 6. Credit sales to Nila rupees 250. So the correct posting is Nila account debited 250. Sales account should be credited 250. Credit sales to Nila 250. So correct posting is Nila should be debited with 250. Sales should be credited with 250. What happened? Though correctly entered in the sales book. So in sales book no problem. It is correct. No problem. Has been posted as 200 has been, so in sales book no problem, but they have problem with the Nila account. How much they posted? Instead of 250 they posted how much? 200. So debit side under cost how much? 50. So Nila account debit side under cost. Now the posting is Nila account should be debited to suspense account. Value how much under cost? We have to record 50. This error disclosed by the trial balance. Let me see the next sum number 7. Sum number 7. Purchase of furniture from Ravi rupees 404. So we bought furniture from Ravi. What is the posting? Furniture account debited. Value 404. Ravi account should be credited 404. This is the correct posting. But what they did on credit were debited to furniture account how much? 440. So in furniture account they should debit how much? 404, but they gave debit to the 440. They gave debit to the 440. So furniture account debit side only overcost how much? 36 rupees. So what we supposed to do? We should give credit to the furniture. So we have to cancel. So entry is suspense account debtor. Suspense account debtor to. So debit side overcost. Furniture value should be reduced. So furniture goes to the credit side. This error disclosed by the trial balance. Next look at the 8th sum, last one, important sum. 8th one. Rupees 5000 brokerage paid on purchase of land. So we bought land, for that we paid brokerage. So the correct ledger posting is land account debited, cash account debited, since it is an capital expenditure. This is the correct posting. Rupees 5000 brokerage paid on purchase of land. So land account debited, cash account credited. This is the correct posting. But what they did was debited to the commission account how much? 500. What they did, instead of debiting the land, they gave debit to the commission account. How much? 500. Instead of debiting land, they debited commission account. What we supposed to do? First we should cancel the commission. Where it was in the debit side. So commission goes to the credit side. Correct posting is land. How much we supposed to post? 5000. So land should be debited with 5000. So the rectification entry is the land is the correct posting 5000. Commission should be cancelled. It will go to the credit side. The shortage transfer to the suspense account. Value 4500. Students, we solved error of posting. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.